Many people who've heard about intermittent fasting ask these two questions. Does it really work? And if it does, how will I do it? I'm 55 years old and I've been doing 16/8 daily intermittent fasting for more than a year now. That means I fast for 16 hours and only eat within an 8-hour window. So I skip breakfast and eat only lunch and dinner. During my fasting hours in the morning, I drink 2 to 3 mugs of green tea on weekdays and a mug of black coffee on weekends, both without any sugar. Why no sugar? Because once you add sugar, your body breaks the fast and you lose most of the benefits of it. You know, when I started intermittent fasting, I did feel hungry, especially when I was teaching. But after 3 to 4 weeks, my body adjusted naturally. Now, I can go through 16 hours with no problem at all. No dizziness, no hunger, no weakness. In fact, I feel I'm more alert and energetic than before. Here are some of the results I personally got from intermittent fasting. First, weight loss. I went down from 85 kilos to 74 kilos, a total loss of 11 kilos in a year. Second, belly fat reduction. My waist size decreased significantly because I naturally reduce my food intake by around 30%. Third, better blood pressure. My blood pressure lowered and stayed within the normal range level. And fourth, faster fat burn. When I exercise in a fasted state 3 mornings a week, I burn fat more efficiently. It's amazing how your body rewards you once you give it time to rest and heal between meals. Now, if fasting has many proven benefits, you may wonder, why don't more people practice it? Here are some common reasons. 1. Many people just can't resist the urge to eat. 2. Others think that fasting is unhealthy or dangerous. 3. Some people, they believe that it's too hard or not worth the effort. 4. People with busy jobs often say, I need energy, I can fast. And 5. Some people, they just feel that they don't need it until they become sick at a later time. The truth is, fasting isn't about starving yourself. It is about giving your body a break so it can repair, recover, and use stored fat for energy. And this isn't just my personal story. According to reliable studies, fasting 16 hours or more can increase your cellular repair, improve your metabolism, reduce inflammation, lower the risk of heart disease and stroke, and even delay the effects of aging. So science confirms what I personally experience. Fasting truly helps the body heals naturally. Never tried fasting before? Don't worry, you can start small. Try the 12-12 fasting first, then move to 14-10, and finally to 16-8 once your body adjusts. Remember, it's not a diet. It's a healthy rhythm for your body. And the results? More energy, better focus, and a healthier you. So, if you're looking for a natural way to manage your weight, lower your blood pressure, and improve your overall health, try intermittent fasting. It worked for me at 55. It might work for you too. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and fitness tips, especially for those of us over 50. See you in my next video. Thank you very much and God bless.